What's up, you guys? It's your girl V Boogie, and I'm back with another video. I really think I'm a rapper, but I am terrible at rapping. So besides that, I am back to do this hair. Okay. Today we're gonna be doing a high puff on 4C hair, and yes, girl, this is thick. Okay, that's for lack of a better word. We're gonna say thick today. Yeah, so we're gonna get straight into it. So products you're gonna need some good old H2O. I mix my water with apple cider vinegar, and you need some type of cream, and I'm almost out. This is the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair coconut curling cream. Defines, moisturizes, and strengthens strands. This is very good for my puff. It helps to make it a little more slick, you know, add a little moisture. Eco Styling Gel. I like the green one. The green one is my favorite. It has olive oil in it. So, this is the Max Hold 10. Yes, so it doesn't flake on my hair too bad. Like, it flakes a little bit after, like, if I keep putting it on. Yeah, so, and then you're gonna need a toothbrush for your edges. And you need some type of brush to brush your hair up into the puff. And this is the one that, like, it's really cool to me. It separates. So I'm known for breaking brushes on my hair, so this is very good for me. This is by Evolve. I got this from Walmart. It's pink. It has a wavy handle. It was like $2, I think, so it was really good. Afro Peak, of course. And I like to use either stockings or these are tights, so they're very stretchy. Either these or like real stockings, because these are considered tights, but real stockings are like very thin. I love those too, but these work just as good. And a scarf to lay these edges. So, and yes, it is possible to lay your edges with 4C hair. I know people think like, oh, it's not. Yeah, I don't have many baby hairs, but as far as like edges, like if you want them to be a nice like wave pattern, girl, I got you. You put it on your edges and you tie it in the back. Yep. And you just let this sit until you're ready to go somewhere. Like, I'm gonna go to campus right now, so I'm about to do something real slight to my face real quick, and then I'll be back to show y'all how laid these edges is. Okay. All right, so once you come back from doing whatever you're doing your face, get something to eat. I just did my face, got me some food, you know, I made some leftovers. You come, take your little scarf off, and your edges, they out here looking like money. Money. Do y'all see this? Money. Money, okay? That's how you like your edges, sis. You 4C, you got 4C hair? Okay, and this is like 4B, 4C combination hair, mostly 4C because the roots is strong, okay? So, thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you guys on my next one. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe, okay? And I'm gonna put a little, I'm trying to get like Auntie Jackie out and just, you gonna subscribe? Thank you. I'm gonna put a little circle of my face like right here, and you just click her, click me, click subscribe, you know, and then after this, one of my other videos can pop up. Just go ahead and watch that thing too. Go ahead and watch that thing too. Thank you.